Afternoon to all of you. I'm Rajesh Kumar, science teacher of Pratapgarh School, Pathankot. Our main chapter is how do organisms reproduce, class 10th biology. Okay. In the last lecture, we had a little discussion on the basic concepts about reproduction and importance of reproduction. Okay. This is the second lecture. Let's start. Okay, reproduction. I already discussed with you reproduction is a process in which organisms reproduce, okay, sexually as well as asexually to increase the number of the offspring or increase the number of population. Okay, why it is important? See, reproduction is important to maintain the race. Okay, देखो क्यों reproduction important है? अब concept समझो देखो. Okay, understand, please understand the concept. Okay, see, reproduction अगर नहीं करेंगे, okay, so they are not in, if they do not reproduce, then what happen? They are not able to maintain their race. Okay, they are not able to transfer the characters. Okay, ultimately the day will come, they will be extinct. Okay, तो उनके साथ ही उनके सारे करेक्टर जो है वो भी खत्म हो जाएंगे. ओके, दैट्स वाई रिप्रोडक्शन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ओके, next is, do organism create carbon copies of themselves? Yes. Okay, see, this is all about DNA. Okay, what is DNA? DNA क्या होता है? देखो देखो, DNA is a genetic material which basically carry genetic information to from one generation to another generation. Okay, तो when a cell divide, देखो जब एक cell divide करता है, okay, for example this is a single cell. Okay, when this cell divide, it give rise to two cell. Okay, it give rise to two cell. Okay, in this way 2 to 4, 4 to 8, every time when the cell divide, its number double. Okay, but this is a mode of mitosis. Okay, because there are two type of cell divisions. One is mitosis basically takes place in every body part. But meiosis is a cell division which takes place in sexual organism for the production of gametes. For example, production of sperm depend upon meiosis. In meiosis, one cell gave rise four cell. Okay, this is the basic difference between the mitosis and meiosis. In mitosis, one cell gave rise to two cell, or in meiosis, one cell gave rise to four cell. Okay, I hope you understand all the concepts. Okay, so this is all about the cell division. Okay, do yes, when the cell divide, its DNA also divide. Okay, this is a known as DNA copy, and in reproduction DNA copy play very important role. Okay, देखो अगर सेल डिवाइड करेगा और DNA डिवाइड ना करे तो क्या होगा? देखो DNA जो है ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा. ओके, अगर DNA ट्रांसफर नहीं होगा तो वी कैन से दैट इंफॉर्मेशन कैन नॉट ट्रांसफर टू द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन. अगर इंफॉर्मेशन भी ट्रांसफर नहीं होगी तो क्या फायदा फिर डिवीजन का? ओके, तो उस डिवीजन का कोई भी फायदा नहीं है. ओके, so that's why we can say that the reproduction involves DNA copying. Okay, and this process is known as replication. Replication is a process in which the DNA divide and give rise to new DNA. Okay, the importance of variation I already discussed with you in the first chapter. What is the importance of variation? Variation help us to survive in a harmful condition. Okay, so we can say the better body designs. Okay, for example, fishes having better body design, it is also a variation. Okay, reptiles also, snake, you can take an example of snake. Okay, snake आपको पता है कितना फास्ट जाता है ना, और उसकी जो मूवमेंट है वो किस तरह से, उसकी बॉडी जो है वो स्केली बॉडी है. ओके, सो इट इज़ अ बेटर बॉडी डिज़ाइन. ओके, फॉर मैमल्स, अगर हमारी तरफ देखो, ह्यूमंस की तरफ देखो, वी ऑल्सो हैव अ बेटर बॉडी डिज़ाइन. ओके, दिस इज ऑल बिकॉज ऑफ वेरिएशंस. ओके, now types of reproduction. See, we know that reproduction is basically of two. There are two. One is sexual reproduction and second one is asexual reproduction. Okay, see, sexual reproduction in which sex organs involved. In sexual reproduction, two parents involved, one male, second female. Okay, in sexual reproduction, sex organ also involved, and most important, variation takes place in sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction variation नहीं होती है, only single parent की involvement होती है. Okay, sexual reproduction बेटर. ओके, देखो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन हैविंग मोर इंपॉर्टेंस, सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इंपॉर्टेंट होती है एज कम्पेयर टू ए सेक्सुअल, बिकॉज देखो सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन में वेरिएशन होती है, वेरिएशन इज यूजफुल. ये वी ऑलरेडी डिस्कस दिस थिंग. ओके, सी फॉर एग्जांपल, टेक एग्जांपल. ओके, अ फादर suffer from a disease but mother is totally good. Okay, mother में कोई disease नहीं है, पर father में disease है. Okay, there may be 50% chances that the disease can transfer to next generation. There may be some chances that disease cannot transfer to the next generation because of sexual reproduction. Okay, but what happen if in case of asexual reproduction? Okay, take a potato. Potato, we know that potato, okay, potato perform asexual reproduction. Okay, अगर मान लो potato खराब है, okay, if there is any disease in the parent potato, आप उसी को कट कर रहे हो और उसी को फिर सोन कर रहे हो, ठीक है, तो जो नेक्स्ट जनरेशन होगी वो सारी की सारी खराब होगी. Why? Because there is no variation in asexual reproduction. There is no variation. Okay, asexual mode of reproduction again divided into number of category like fission, budding, regeneration, fragmentation, spore formation, vascularity propagation. Okay, clear? Everything is clear, no problem. Okay, if you feel any problem, then you can ask me any question during the class time. Okay, or you can make a call, you can call me, or you can WhatsApp me. Okay, so this is a very important question according to board point of view. Differentiate between sexual and asexual reproduction, and what are the importance of sexual reproduction. Okay, I hope you understand all these concepts. Okay, meet you soon in the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay at home. Once again, stay safe and stay at home. Okay, thank you. And this is the second lecture. Okay.